How to convert BURP to e-visa doc. Converting your UK Biometric Residence Permit, or BURP, into an e-visa may sound complicated, but most people get it wrong by missing critical steps. Here's how to do it correctly. Step 1. Check your eligibility. You can only convert certain types of BURP, such as work or study visas, into an electronic visa. If your BURP is close to expiration or linked to a specific visa category, you need to confirm with OK before applying. Step 2. Gather documents. You'll need your BURP passport, proof of address, and any supporting documents related to your visa status. The surprising truth is missing even one document can lead to delays or rejection. Step 3. Apply online through the official or the visa portal. Fill out your personal information, BURP details, and intended purpose for the e-visa. Double check every detail. Most people get this wrong by mistyping their BURP number or expiry date. Step 4. Pay the application fee and submit biometric information if required. Some applicants must attend a visa centre to have fingerprints and photos taken. Step 5. Wait for processing. Once approved, your e-visa will be linked electronically to your passport, allowing travel and entry without a physical BURP card. You can also check the status online. The key takeaway is that planning, accuracy, and following official instructions are essential. Converting a BURP to an e-visa is straightforward if you avoid common mistakes and ensure all documents and information are correct.